have to carry a thick quilt. I start with 18 and then I feel, very cold at 18. I keep it to 23, 24.
18 to 20 degrees Celsius.
18 degrees.
Around about 18 to 20 degrees.
I have to keep switching the AC on, off, increasing, decreasing the temperature. It's not a comfortable status.
It's not really that comfortable because I have to change the temperature.
पूरी रात चलाओ तो हाँ ठंड लगती है, but फिर कौन रात को उठ के ऑफ करे?
No, I have to just keep moving in and out of the quilt. Optimal? No, I don't know. There's an optimal temperature.
Optimal temperature.
Well, I don't have any idea about that.
Is there one?